Well, loneliness. Where do you start with this one? Loneliness is one of the heaviest feelings we can carry, isn't it? It's a deep, aching silence that can make the world feel disconnected, like we're somehow watching life happen from the outside. Does this resonate with you? Well, let me start by saying this. You're not alone in feeling lonely. Loneliness is an experience many of us face, often in unexpected seasons of life. But it doesn't mean that there's something wrong with us, that there's something wrong with you, that there's something wrong with me. Loneliness is not forever. It's a moment, a chapter, a temporary part of our journey. Right now, we might feel unseen or disconnected. But the world is full of possibilities for love, connection, and belonging. And gratitude, I know from my own experience, can help you see that, even in the midst of loneliness, that there is beauty and meaning to be found. So how about for a few minutes we explore how gratitude can open our hearts to hope and guide us back to connection. So firstly, why does loneliness feel so painful? Well, humans are wired for connection, whether it's friendship, family, or shared experiences. Relationships help us feel grounded, understood, and loved. When those connections are missing, it's natural to feel adrift, as though something essential is missing from our life. Loneliness often convinces us that we're invisible or unworthy, but that's simply not true. Loneliness is an experience, not an identity. Now, gratitude can help us break free from this negative spiral that loneliness creates by focusing on what's present rather than what's absent. Gratitude invites us to see the moments of connection, beauty, and love that already exist, even if they're only really small. So let's start small when we consider the relationship between gratitude and loneliness. Because in essence, when we're feeling lonely, gratitude doesn't have to start with a big, grand gesture. It can begin with noticing the small things, like the world around us, the sound of wind in the trees, the warmth of the sun, or the stillness of the night, which can remind us of the beauty and vastness of life. Our own strength, that every day we show up and try, even when it's hard, that's something to be proud of. Or moments of comfort, like a favourite book, a soothing song, or the smell of the morning coffee, which can bring a sense of peace. And even the possibility of tomorrow, that every new day brings opportunities for connection and change, even if they're not visible yet. Gratitude begins wherever we are, with whatever we can find to hold on to. So, how can gratitude shift loneliness? Well, gratitude, firstly, isn't about pretending everything's okay. It's about seeing what is still good and steady, even when things feel empty. Here's some ideas now how gratitude can help us move through loneliness. Gratitude reconnects us to the present, because loneliness often pulls us into the past or the future, but gratitude brings us back to the now, where small joys still exist. Gratitude opens our heart, so by focusing on what we're thankful for, we're creating a space for hope and connection to grow within us. And gratitude builds confidence, recognizing that our own resilience and strength helps us see that we are worthy of love and belonging. So how about we just have a look at 1 or 2 steps that we can practice easily right now for free, where you're standing or sitting, in relation to gratitude during loneliness. Firstly, notice one connection. Today, just look for one moment of connection in the day. It could be a friendly smile from a stranger, a kind message online, or even a memory of a meaningful conversation in the past. Also practice self-compassion. Gratitude can start with ourself. So thank yourself for the courage to keep going, for the effort you're putting into your day, or simply just for being you. Focus as well on nature's presence. Nature has a way of reminding us that we're part of something bigger. Watch the clouds drift, listen to the rustle of leaves, or feel the ground beneath your feet. Express gratitude out loud, maybe. Say thank you for something small, whether it's to a barista, a neighbour, or even yourself. Gratitude is contagious, and expressing it can open the door to connection. Keep a gratitude journal too, writing down one thing each day that you're thankful for, no matter how small, because over time you'll see that these moments of light are adding up into a bigger picture. Now, thinking about saying out loud, thank you, gratitude out loud, you can do this to yourself too, maybe with affirmations. Affirmations in relation to gratitude and connection. Just saying them out loud, solidifies and cements and reaffirms them in your mind that there is a connection, that you're not alone, that there is a bigger picture. I'll give you a few examples now of some that you might be able to use or that you can tailor for yourself. Affirmations for gratitude and connection, such as, I am grateful for the strength I find within myself each day. I honour the quiet moments that bring me peace. I am thankful for the beauty of the world around me. Even in loneliness, I can find small moments of connection. I am grateful for my resilience in navigating this journey. I appreciate the possibility of new connections in the future. I am thankful for the love and kindness I have given and received. Each day, I am open to small amounts of connection and joy. I am grateful for the opportunities to learn and grow through this experience. I honour my ability to find hope even in difficult times. I am thankful for the light that still exists within me. I appreciate the strength it takes to keep going, one step at a time. I am grateful for the beauty of a sunrise, a flower, or a quiet breeze. I honour the connections I have had and the ones that are still to come. I am thankful for my ability to create small moments of joy. I appreciate the kindness of strangers and the possibility of new friendships. I am grateful for the courage to seek connection and healing. I honour the ways I am learning to love and value myself. I am thankful for the moments of clarity and peace in my day. I appreciate the beauty of the world, even when I feel alone. I am grateful for the strength to sit with my feelings and grow from them. I honour my ability to find connection in unexpected places. I am thankful for the love that surrounds me, even if I cannot always see it. I appreciate the possibility of brighter days ahead. I am grateful for the journey I am on, knowing that it will lead to greater love and greater connection. It's important to always remember, even in these difficult, lonely times, that we are not alone in this. Loneliness is a heavy burden, but it's also not your forever. It's not your already decided future. You're not broken. You're not invisible. but you are worthy of love and belonging and connection. Gratitude can help you see these small moments of beauty and hope that are already present in your life. It can and it will remind you that brighter days are ahead and that you are never truly alone. So start small. Look now for the tiniest spark of connection or peace today, and let that be your starting point. You are stronger than you think, and your story is still unfolding. And you are part of a bigger, connected world